in front of the audience and how to give the reactions and face.
Just how to just manage the money and risk.
Think just to assume a world for the things. And your perspective about the movies and
Which kind of lifestyle you want to prefer in your life?
Which kind of lifestyle
What do you think about the Boon Education? How is it? Is it a good platform for learning English, or have you some another views on that?
Of course, it is an amazing platform to learn and speak and fluent speaking for English, and you can learn a lot of things here like that, how to speak amazing in front of the audience and how to behave with them, and you can be more friendly with them.
Okay. Which kind of activity do you like most or prefer most?
I like GD here most because in the GD we meet to the new and different people, and when we do conversation with them, it gives you a better experience in the Boon Education, and will let you to speak in front of your other gender, and how to behave with them, and how to put questions, and how to listen their thoughts.
What do you think about the role play? Do you not like that? Because it gives the exposure.
Yeah, I like role play because in role play you also learn a lot of things like how to behave in front of the audience, and how to give the reactions and face expression in front of them.
Okay.
It is also amazing activity.
Okay, okay. In a like suppose that if you have to face stage, so how would you face? Does Boon Education teach such kind of thing, how to come on the stage and how to speak?
If I say a real thing, so in the Boon Education you can see only one thing, that in first time if you are getting hesitate, so they would not let you to stop your speaking. They would let you to speak and speak amazing, fluently.
They say that when I teach the students, so they feel very proud on me. Yes. So it feels that yes, I'm working.
Do you think
That's
that after completing the school, we should just join the private schools also, because it's also the full time, you can say, getting an opportunity to learning something?
Yes, why not?
If
If I get an opportunity to teach in any school, so I would definitely prefer that.
Okay.
You know, it would also give me some knowledge, more knowledge, right? About the teaching, about the student. I will learn the many new things from these children, and children will also learn the
And apart
things to
from
me.
this, we can learn the calmness or like a patience, because it's an integral part, or you can say the very essential part while they're teaching. Because a
yes.
teacher should be kind, or should be the calmness while they're teaching.
Okay, now what about you? That what you are doing in your free time?
Actually, whenever I have a leisure time, I just learn the new novels which I get. Like recently, I read Rich Dad and Poor Dad. That's a very amazing novel.
It is a favorite novel?
Yeah, you should learn this.
Why not? I would definitely.
It gives immense knowledge, or you can say about the liability and the asset, which we learn in an early stage. But the school teachers and the school curriculum does not focus on the how to just manage the money and risk. But in this book, we can learn the basic element of, you can say, in our finance literacy, which is a very important part in
by learning the novels, our mindset will be different.
Yeah,
You know, we learn the different things.
before the reading the novel.
Topic, how we develop ourselves by the basis of personality, by the basis of judgmentship, by the basis of leadership.
So how do I get such a thing? Like how do I just get a judgment seat? How do I get such a thing where I can just develop myself in a great manner?
Okay.
You know that era is just belongs to the cheapest era, we can say. So it's the harder to get the greater personality. So that's why I just need to from you to just know what way should I follow to just improve my personality.
So what's your opinion about movies and web series. In the free time, we mainly prefer a movie and web series and some difficult task.
I just feel I'm the kind of person that who just love to watch the anime, so I never watch any kind of movie. But I just recommend that the movie is good, but sometimes we have to just follow about the movies also, and we must learn the movie is such a thing which can give us such a great manner to just talk and just giving a great sense to just think or just to assume a world by the things. And your perspective about the movies and anime?
I think movies are playing a main role of the character. You learn many things with the movies. So what's your opinion about the last time which movie you prefer and what you learn about that movie?
I just get from the world, like we get the thing by watching very easily. So the movie is a totally depend on the scenarios and the depend on the such of the movie they having the scenario of the such of the criminal. They just preferring to the such a criminal activity such, and sometimes they just preferring to such a good way or the sense of humor, such a way they are just offering. So it's up to the person what they are just adopting from the movies. I just feel like that.
In the web series, every web series depend on the violence and depend on the abusive language. So what's your opinion about that web series? You learned anything with that web series? No.
Buddy, I hate.
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also great. So may I ask you some questions?
Why you may?
Okay, so which kind of lifestyle do you want to prefer in your life?
Which kind of lifestyle I want to prefer in my life?
Yes.
Actually, not that much luxurious, but I want that kind of life in my life that I purchase what I want. Like it's not. I know that there are so many kind of things that luxurious things, but I don't want this. But it's my needed or something, so I purchase immediately. That's kind of life by my own money, not my mother, not my father's money, not my husband's money. No,
But don't you feel that
actually I don't think about it because if somebody loves you, so he and she can do all the things what you want. So I don't think that the money is important in life, but sometimes it's needed. It's only a need that we have want so many kind of things we need some things, so we can give the money and then take it. But love is not a kind of a money thing. We have to love somebody with our heart. That's kind of thing. And what do you think about it? Money is important?
Yeah, well, according to me, I feel that money plays a vital role to surviving the life. But according to, if you want to be happy in your life, so money cannot give you that much immense peace, happy. Because why I say this line? Because I noticed one thing. I just went somewhere in slum area where I noticed one thing. There was one family. He does not have that much resources, even that they were very happy.
Yeah.
So I feel that without money we can also be happy in life.
Yeah.
Money is only necessary for the surviving life, not we
For
can
the
say the for happy life,
happiness life.
for the peace we can say, but that is my point of view.
Yeah, exactly. I also said this.
You want to agree with me?
Yeah, why not? Because you are same thing what I'm saying.
All right.
That's it.